This tutorial focuses on the menu. It is the menu that is at the heart of your course and course building. Let's begin by making sure that the edit mode is on, and then we'll focus on this area of your course, the menu. The menu really serves as the chapters of your course, or the chapters of the book. You will have the option to create the various chapters, or in this case the menu items, in which you will then place the course content. To add these various menu items or chapters, you would first hover over the plus sign, and now you will have the option of creating various sort of menu area items. The first one is create a content area. This will be the most used type of menu item that you will then create. Create content area is very simple to do. Click, name, make available to users, and submit. Notice the item is created. This icon shows that there is nothing yet inside of that particular menu item or chapter. Once the menu item is created, I can easily move that particular item up and down the menu by merely dragging and dropping. To add content area items to this, you would then click and add the various content area items. But this will be covered in content building. The next area we'll look at is creating a blank page. Creating a blank page would add a template in your menu items that really allows you to add a single item in that page. So unlike the content area that we see here that we just added, creating a blank page would really allow you to create content within that page that is solely available, sharing nothing with any other particular content area items. Creating a tool link would allow you to create a simple link to any tool item. The tools that you have available to you are located under Course Tools. For instance, if I want to create a content or a menu tab that would immediately link you to the contacts you have for this course, I would select Create Tool Link. That's what we did here for contact information. When I click that, it takes you to a templated item called Contacts. You can also access this by going to Tools and clicking Contacts. But by putting it in the menu area, you're giving it greater importance. So your participants then no longer have to search for particular items, or tools in this case, but you place them right in the menu for quick access. Course links would take you to specific places in the course that you want to highlight. External links would allow you to create a menu item that is in essence a direct link. So maybe there's a particular website, or maybe your textbook's online. You can put here textbook. You can go to that site, copy the hyperlink, paste it in, make it available, and then when it's created, your course participants can click the particular menu item, which in essence may well be the hyperlink right to a particular website. Create a module page would be the gadgets that you can provide for participants in your course. Modules are to-do lists, direct links to certain areas that Blackboard has added, such as mashups, calendar, calculator, thesaurus, dictionary, that you would create that would then become available for your participants. Your subheaders and dividers are those that would then divide up or provide subcategories to the particular menu items that you've created. You can easily then edit, delete, rename these by using the drop-down menu arrows here. These particular items provide some other options. Display course menu in a window would take the menu and the course management area and allow you to manipulate and to maneuver through the menu by using your keyboard, not just your mouse. Refresh at any point in time would allow you to immediately show changes being made or have been made. So if I'm doing something and something's not showing up right away as I add it, just click refresh and that'll refresh your entire course. Keyboard accessible reordering is very similar to display course in its own window. This would allow you to reorder items by using the keyboard, not just the drag and drop mouse. This is really a list view or a folder view, which gives different views of the menu. Currently I'm in a list view, but if I want to change that view to folder view, then it's going to divide everything up into the folders or the items that I have within each of the menu areas. Now these all are not available to the users. Some are. Notice as I turn edit mode off, my course participants have a limited choice. They can change how they see the menu items, and they can display the course menu in a window, which would allow them to use their keyboard to manipulate through the course. So the menu area is the heart of course building. Once the menu is created, then we can go in and begin to build then the content, which is the next unit that we'll be covering.